Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my people, depending on where you are watching from. We are here once again in our Igbo lesson. In our last lesson, we treated the vowels in Igbo language. Today, we are going to look into the consonants and the vowels. Now, we have 28 consonants in Igbo language. Consonants is known as mbochi ume. Mbochi ume. We have 28 of them. Even though we have treated the vowels in our last lesson, we are going to revisit it once again now. We are going to treat it again to serve as a reminder. And we are going to pronounce the letters one after the other, so that we would also know how they will get acquainted with the sounds, because many of the letters may look exactly same as English, but the sounds are different. The pronunciations are different. So let's go. We are going to start with the consonants, which is known as mbochi ume. We have 28 of them. Let's go. Starting from B, Chi, De, Fe, Ge, Be, Re, Gwe, Hi, Je, Ke, Be, Kwe, Le, Me, Ne, Nye, Nwe, Nye, Pi, Re, S, Sh, Te, Vi, Wi, Ye, Ze. So these are the 28 mbochi ume we have in Igbo language. We are going to take it once again. Let's go. B, Chi, De, Fe, Ge, Be, Re, Gwe, Hi, Je, Ke, Be, Kwe, Le, Me, Ne, Nye, Nwe, Nye, Pi, Re, Se, Sh, Ti, Vi, Wi, Ye, Ze. So these are the 28 consonants that we have in Igbo language. Let us take the vowels. We have 28 vowels. Vowels is known as the Oda Ume. Oda Ume. The vowels of 8 letters is also divided into 2 parts. The first part is known as Odamfe. Odamfe. Odamfe means that while pronouncing it, it sounds light. It sounds lighter. Then the second part is known as Odaaro. Odaaro, which means it is slightly heavy while pronouncing it. Let's take them one after the other so that we will be able to know how they sound. We have the 8 vowels in Igbo language as A, E, I, E, O, A, U, O. These are the 8 vowels. Let's take it once again. A, E, I, E, O, A, U, O. You will agree with me that there are some letters which look the same, but the difference is the pronunciation, the sound. They may look the same, but the sounds are a little different. Then there is something common which differentiates them. There is something common that differentiates them from each other. Where we have I and the E, the difference there is that the E has a dot beneath. Then where we have O and the O has a dot under it. The same thing applies to the U and the O. Where U is standing alone, the O has a dot under it. So take note of all these. So they are divided into 2 parts. The first part, which, like I explained, is known as Odamfe, that is the lighter vowels. Let's take them to know the sounds. There are A, E, O, O, A, E, O, O, A, E, O, O, A, E, O, O. That is the first part. The second part is known as Oda Aro. That is to say that it is a little heavy while pronouncing it. Let's take them. We have E, I, O, U, E, I, O, U, E, I, O, U, E, I, O, U. Yes, this is our lesson for today. In our next lesson, when we come in our next segment, next lesson, we are going to begin with the simple words. We are going to start with the simple words in our next lesson. So thank you and have a nice day.